Hello everyone, it's Peter here. Piotr Fissner, how you doing, guys? Hello. We've got a poor situation. We had two jobs like that. So what it is the laptop motherboard. You've got a model in the title, and I've asked technician to remove the MOSFET here, okay, and voltage inject 1 volt, and he couldn't see any heat. So I said, take out the board, check both sides. If that will be still no heat, remove the MOSFET, because the MOSFET was getting hot. So I said something after the MOSFET has to be shorted, and we need to see what. Yes. So he did what I've asked, and turns out that the short still exists after removing the MOSFET, and you can't see it on neither side. So I said, okay, let's check our ex.ScreenProtector or something, software for schematics, and let's see, if we can find the schematics for it. So he found it, and it's easier to explain now on the schematics than anything else. So let me give you a schematics view. And so as you can see, we've got a VIN here, yes, VIN. Now this goes through those two MOSFETs, okay, one MOSFET 7 and 1. Now if you remove these two MOSFETs, the power won't go anywhere, yes. So of course, if you will remove them, you need to voltage inject on those sides. This way the voltage will continue going down. Now if you remove this chip, if you remove those MOSFETs, yes, you pretty much know that if you've got a short, it's elsewhere. So now you don't have this chip here, BQ chip, which is charging chip, and you don't have those MOSFETs, so you start to question yourself, where else it goes. So now you know that you need to remove this MOSFET, which is PQ703, yes, and then 704, PQ704. So if you remove those, the power here when you inject shouldn't short. Well, could still short through those capacitors here, okay? Still could short. Hold on a second. Okay, guys, I'm back, sorry. So yeah, long story short, he removed every MOSFET on the way. He removed BQ chip, okay? And he removed the capacitors as well, okay? Those 4 are in the one spot. These 2 are above if you look at the board view, or on the board itself. And guess what? That didn't change a thing. Unfortunately, that didn't change a thing, and we could only see the heat on the spot where we were voltage injecting it. So this has to be a no fix. I don't know what else I could do with it, but if you removed all the power rails, and if you remove capacitors on the way, as per schematics, that's everything. If you touch everything, because I did double check, by touching, and he was voltage injecting, and I couldn't feel the heat anywhere apart from the place where you voltage inject, then you have to call it a no fix. Yes, it's a shame, because that's Alienware, and that's really nice board and nice laptop, and it's not really old. So in that case, it's good for spare parts. If anybody has a better idea what to do, I won't be drilling the hole and removing the layers. I already said to the customer that it's a no fix. Okay, I just wanted for my reference to record this video so that I know what we have done with it. We've got notes in bookrepair.online.co.uk still, but I'd rather have video as well designated so that I will be sure that I said what I said. That's it in this video. Unfortunately, as you see, we can't fix them all, and I don't know what else I could do with it. I would say that's it. Guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a like or comment down below to help me grow this channel. But that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.